Every day, millions of people lose their dreams. Not because they're lazy, but because they hesitate. You had a goal, you felt the spark, then your mind whispered, later. But here's the truth, motivation won't save you, action will. When you feel stuck,
When that hesitation creeps in, count it down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Because every time you act before your brain makes excuses, you train yourself to win. Those 5 seconds, that's where discipline is built and where your superhero self is born. Stop waiting, start becoming.